Welcome Jebel Ali. In this tutorial we're going to look at Google Sheets and we're going to be creating a quiz in Google Sheets. And the quiz is going to look something like this. So when you click on here, it's going to open a copy of my quiz. As you can see here, it's got a picture, an introduction to the quiz, and when you click on here, it will take you to the first round of the quiz, which looks like this. So basically, you've got questions, possible answers, and this is where you type your number in of which you think is the correct answer. So I think Captain Smith is the right answer for this one, and it will automatically tell you if it's got it correct or not, and it will give you a mark. Okay, so that is what we're going to be looking at today. So first things first, we're going to look at setting up our quiz. So on the website, we're going to click here to begin creating your quiz, and it will open a quiz template, and then you just click on make a copy, and it will look something like this. Okay, now this is a blank spreadsheet. You can see it's made up of columns with letters at the top and rows with numbers at the side. Okay, and where these columns and rows meet, there are rectangles, and these are called cells, and they have a cell reference. So for example, the cell reference for this cell is B3, and for this one it would be D8. So you always start with the letter followed by the number. Okay, now at the moment this is my welcome tab. This is where my image for my quiz will go, or your quiz will go, and you've got three tabs here. You've got the welcome tab, and the R1 means round 1, and R2 is round 2. So if you ever get a chance, you'll be able to do a second round to your quiz, but we're working on the tab R1. Now at the moment it's got a sample question here that you all will be able to look at, and in a later lesson you'll change the picture here and change your quiz question and obviously add the correct and wrong answers to your question. Okay, so what we're going to do here, so the first thing is we're going to arrange our columns. So we want to have one narrow and one wide, one narrow and one wide. So to make your column wider, you put your mouse here and you wait for the 2 arrows, you click and you drag. The next one is narrow and the next one wide. Move your mouse when you get 2 arrows, click and hold and drag. And for the next one will be the H column, click and hold and drag. So you've got wide, narrow, wide, narrow, wide, narrow, wide. Made that one a little bit narrower. Okay, so that is going to be the layout for your quiz, and I'm going to stop there, and in the next lesson we will look at formatting the text as we enter it into our cells. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next lesson.